Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Friends, I'm preparing today oats roti. This is really and soft. So let's start. Take 1 cup oats. Let's make a fine powder. After transfer into the bowl, I'm gonna add wheat flour. 4 tablespoon wheat flour. This is 1 cup oat flour and 4 tablespoon wheat flour. So mix it. Now I'm gonna add half tablespoon salt. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil, or you can use ghee also. Mix it nicely. If you want, you can use hand. Now I'm gonna add hot water. Mix it gently. Make a nice dough. If you are strong, you can use your hand. I'm gonna add a little more. I think this is enough. After 2 minutes, use your hands, otherwise you feel hot. It's hot little. Now add oil, few drops of oil. Knead the dough and close the lid. Close the lid for only 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is finished. So let's prepare the roti. First I'm gonna take newspaper. I'm using here oats atta. It has to be like a soft, no cracks. Take oats atta. Let's make it. If you want thin or thick, up to you. Take water. Dip your finger. Do like this. You can see now. So let's make roti. Pan is heat now. Add water. Spread the water. Keep it medium flame. After 30 seconds, turn other side. Gently press it. Oats roti is done. This is really little strong. Close the lid. Use tissue. After 5 minutes, it becomes soft. I'm gonna make one more roti. If you feel it is dry, take few drops of water and do like this. Knead the dough. You feel soft dough now. That's it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please press the bell icon and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Finished. Now I'm gonna put in the bowl and close the lid. You'll get nice and soft roti after 5 minutes. You can eat with any curry.